To ensure you receive the best possible output, craft a prompt that is clear, specific, and free from spellings and grammatical errors. Avoid unnecessary jargon or technicalities that might confuse AI. Don't mistake clear prompts for short prompts. In fact, longer prompts often provide more clarity and context for the model, resulting in more detailed and relevant outputs. It's crucial to be as specific as possible when conveying what you want the model to do. Imagine this. You're deep in a testing sprint, facing a tricky scenario or uncertain requirement, and you open ChatGPT for assistance. The screen is blank, cursor blinking, ready for your prompt. But wait. Before you dive in and ask for help, take a step back. Pause. Break the problem into smaller parts, understand the context, and think like a QA, methodical and clear. Think of your task as a puzzle and your prompt as the blueprint that guides ChatGPT to deliver the answers you seek. The key to unlocking its power lies in the art of providing crystal clear instructions. Whether it's a complex scenario or an unknown topic, precise details will guide ChatGPT give you better answers that are right on target. Consider a prompt like this one: how ChatGPT can help to test software applications. As opposed to, write structure for a brief presentation on how to use ChatGPT to improve the overall software testing process. The tone should be professional and aimed at software engineering managers. Which of these do you think will get you closer to your desired results? Let's see how you can provide clear details about a task in your prompt. Start by outlining the main topics you want to focus on. This helps AI narrow down its response and ensures it stays on point. Don't forget to delve into the subtopics that are crucial for your prompt. By including them, you guide AI towards generating responses that cover all the essential aspects. Clearly define the testing objective you're aiming for. Are you trying to use AI to generate test cases, identify potential bugs, or enhance test documentation? Stating this upfront gives the model the right direction and sets the foundation for more accurate and helpful QA outputs. Providing context in your AI prompt helps the model better understand the application under test, user expectations, or the specific testing scenario. This allows it to generate more relevant and accurate responses. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore more factors that bring your prompts to life. Describe the writing style you want the AI to use. Should it be formal, like documentation, collaborative, like a QA teammate, concise, like a test case, or exploratory, like an exploratory tester's notes? Setting the writing style and tone helps guide the AI to generate responses that align with your testing objective and communication style. Set a word limit if you have specific constraints. This keeps the responses concise and focused. Let AI know if the output is meant for junior testers, senior engineers, test managers, or cross-functional teams. This helps the AI tailor responses to match the experience level, tone, and expectations of your intended QA audience. Consider providing the format you want the response in, such as bullet points, a summary, or a numbered list. This will help guide the AI model in generating a response that aligns with your desired structure, saving you time and effort in formatting it later. Do you have any specific constraints you'd like AI to follow? These might include topic limitations, format preferences, or other requirements. Sharing these helps AI tailor its responses more effectively and stay within your desired boundaries. By considering these factors and incorporating your answers into the prompt, you can produce much more targeted results from the AI. Let's see an example that incorporates all these suggestions into the prompt. You are a QA engineer testing a user registration form for a web app. The goal is to generate 6 test cases, 3 positive and 3 negative. Next, we provide the exact requirements, output format, and constraint information for the scenario. Let's run this prompt. You can see how specifying the requirements led to more focused and relevant responses from ChatGPT. Here's another technique to achieve clarity in your prompt. Delimiters are punctuation marks or other indicators that clearly separate distinct parts of the input. They serve as signposts, guiding the model to focus on specific sections of the prompt and often makes outputs easier to parse. Let's see how delimiters work. Take a look at this paragraph that needs to be summarized. Here, we are using triple backticks as delimiters. Remember, delimiters can take different forms. They can be punctuation marks like quotes or dashes, or even section titles. The key is to use clear indicators that separate specific pieces of text from the rest of the prompt. You can even consider using Markdown or XML syntax for improved results. While crafting clear and specific prompts is beneficial, there are a few pitfalls to watch out for. Let's discuss them. Avoid being too rigid with your prompts, as it may limit AI's creativity and potentially yield less informative responses. Balance specificity with a degree of freedom for the AI. Be mindful of unintentional biases that may arise in your prompts. Carefully review the language you use to ensure fairness and inclusivity. Now that we have covered the essentials of crafting clear and specific prompts, here are a few closing tips to keep in mind. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and refine them based on the results you receive. Learning from each interaction will help you improve over time. Engage with the AI community and share your experiences, successes, and challenges. Collaborating with others can provide valuable insights and enhance your prompt crafting skills. While AI is an incredibly powerful tool, it does have limitations. Be aware of these limitations and set realistic expectations for what the AI can achieve.